You can get a shareable link for any Vizzle activity, both those in the Vizzle library, as well as those you have edited or created yourself. To get a link, simply open the Lesson Details card using the More Options button in the top right of the card. This can be done from our library or any account's Lessons page. At the top of the Lesson Details screen, you will see a button labeled Share Link. Click that button to get the link. For a general link not integrated with a learning management system, and to have Vizzle collect data for a student, be sure to first check the required student login box prior to copying the link. Then click the orange Copy button. You can then paste the link wherever it's needed. We've also added a Google Classroom specific link to Vizzle for sharing lessons. To use the lesson within Google Classroom, click the Classroom icon and follow the steps within Google Classroom to assign the lesson link. Once you've copied the link, you can close the Share Link dialog box. In order to use Vizzle within Schoology, the integration first needs to be set up by the district's Schoology account. Please have your district administrator contact our support desk for help with that integration process. We hope this helps you use Vizzle with your district's learning management system. Happy Vizzling!